1. Poland. White is clearly on top here, so you don't confuse it with Indonesia where the order is reversed. 2. Indonesia. Red is placed on top, which sometimes confuses people with Poland, but it's actually the opposite. 3. Monaco. It looks exactly like Indonesia at first glance, but sometimes you can spot it because it's slightly shorter. 4. Japan. This is the only flag with a centered red circle, so it's easy to remember once you notice the sun. 5. Switzerland. This is a rare square flag with a bold white cross, which sometimes reminds people of a medical symbol. 6. Denmark. The white cross is shifted to the left side, and sometimes gets confused with other Nordic flags. 7. Austria. It has 3 clear horizontal stripes, and sometimes looks similar to Latvia but with brighter red. 8. Latvia. This looks like Austria at first, but sometimes the darker red and thinner white stripe give it away. 9. Canada. This is the only red and white flag with a maple leaf in the center, so it stands out immediately. 10. Bahrain. The zigzag edge is unique, and sometimes people remember it as a saw, like cut in the flag. 11. Peru. It uses vertical stripes instead of horizontal ones, which sometimes helps avoid confusion with Austria. 12. Greenland. This flag has a half red and white design with a circle, and sometimes feels like a flipped version of Japan. 13. Tonga. The small white box with a red cross in the corner makes it easy to identify, though sometimes overlooked. 14. Tunisia. It has a white circle with a moon and star inside, which sometimes gets confused with Turkey. 15. Turkey. It also has a moon and star, but without the white circle, which helps you tell it apart from Tunisia. 16. Georgia. This is the only flag with 5 red crosses, making it very distinct once you notice the pattern. 17. Hong Kong. The white flower design stands out, and sometimes people remember it as a blooming symbol on red.